Okay guys, so another E36 video, and today I'm doing a sew-on steering wheel cover or steering wheel wrap. You buy these on eBay for about $3 to $10 depending who you buy it from and how long you want to wait for one of these guys. I did this to my 318 ages ago, and I've made a couple improvements, and I'm going to give you guys a couple tips on how to actually install these things. I'm not going to go through the install process because there are plenty of videos that show how to sew and how to do your knots way better than I will probably be able to. So the first things first, when I first installed the 318, I noticed on the long runs, like here or like even on here, the wrap would actually rotate along the steering wheel because there's nothing holding it on besides friction, because you only have that stitching tightening it on the, I guess, the grip of the steering wheel. This is a circumference, I guess. Anyways, what I decided to do this time is buy some fabric tape, double-sided fabric tape, and I'm gonna basically put it on this and this side, just running along the edge, and that's gonna stop the rotation. For instance, here there's no rotation, here there's also no rotation, so that's kind of nice. Stuff that I did use is called peel and stick fabric fuse, and I use the permanent kind. You find this at Michael's or Walmart, anywhere like that. And the point of that stuff is for hemming your pants. Basically, if you have your hem location and you want to sew it on but you don't want it to move while you're sewing, you put the permanent tape here, like where the fold is, and then you sew. Anyways, so there's that, so this thing won't move. And then in addition to that, I'm using a very basic stitch, and the amount of thread length that you need is basically 3 times the section you're doing. So if I'm doing this section right here, I'm going to use 3 times this length, this distance right here. This is different, so it's 3 times this, and then this is 3 times this. And it leaves me about, I don't know, the short sections I got, you can't even see that. Short sections, you got that much thread left, but the long section, when I did the 3 times that, I had that much thread left, and for reference. So it's easy to work with, and you're never going to run out of thread. And then the kit in the end gave me enough thread, so this is like the scrap that I didn't even use, and this is about 2 feet long. So don't worry about running out of thread when you're doing this. And yeah, I think these are good quality, to be honest. I only had it on the 318 for about a year before I sold it, and it never caused any issues. So there you go, guys. Quick E36 update video. If you have any questions on this steering wheel wrap, just comment below. Thanks.